Hi, my name is Jackie, and I'm a mental health coach for entrepreneurs. I wanted to come on here and take a minute to reintroduce myself. I started this channel last year, and I took a bit of a break to get my business off the ground. I was trying to be everywhere at once, on every platform, executing every idea, and it just wasn't working out. In my time off of YouTube, I have completely pivoted my business. Last time I was here, I was a very confused life coach, and now I'm a mental health coach for entrepreneurs. I was feeling called to pursue mental health in my business for a long time, but I pushed it off for a while due to many fears and opinions, which I will get into in future videos. My goal with relaunching this channel is to help people around the world with their mental health, whether you are an entrepreneur or not. I plan on making videos about my journey and my personal stories, in my career, in my mental health journey, and everything and anything in between. I also plan on doing guided meditations to help anxiety, manifesting your dream life, and many other topics. I also plan on making valuable how-to content to help you elevate to the best version of yourself. I also want to make tips for entrepreneurs and many more topics as I continue to grow and evolve. But like I said, my main focus here is mental health. I hope to create a beautiful community of people who uplift each other and help each other on our roller coaster of anxiety and depression. I am so excited to build this community starting today. And in order for us to build this community, never be a stranger. Feel free to reach out to me on Instagram at Jackie_the life coach, or shoot me an email at jackie@jackiethelifecoach.com. I know how isolating anxiety and depression can be, so I'm always here for you. Do not ever hesitate to reach out. You can also join my email community in the link below, where I send out valuable content and lessons. I tell everything to this community first, all my announcements, discounts, life updates, you name it, so you might want to join the link below. I'm so excited to be back here on YouTube, and I'm so grateful for you for tuning in, and I can't wait to see you next time.